kind of stuff we did. So we talked about framing connection a tiny bit. Talked about not being floaty, but not being too stiff all the time. You want deep connection with those two fingers in there, a little hitch. And then we talked about this simple idea. 1, 2, 3. Leaders go, then the hands, then the followers go. 1, 2, 3. If you can stay in that feeling, that'll be really good. So that happens in a lot of places in a lot of sneaky ways, but one of the places we tried was the color. So when we're here, turn it nice and slowly. You're gonna get a little wind up for it. Wind up, triple step, then open, close, and out. Just like a tuck turn. My hands over the top, and I just fix it. Again, and rock. Triple, close, turn it nice and slowly, and really following through all the way. My hands over the top, I just fix it later. Then we tried another step, just like this we went. Rock, step, triple step, and right there you can do another change of pace right after. Leaders, just to make it clear for you, when you're here, you're going to think rock, step, you're going to open your body up to get out of the way of the follower. So when I'm here, watch my feet. Rock, step, triple step, and I fix it up on the other side. Then we do this, you know this one already. Followers do a great job of staying behind the feeling and just wait for it to hit you. Last thing we did is we started out kind of like Frankie Six's, where we get this handshake, and then we just did the side pass. Rock, step, triple step. It's a great step because it's actually only a little bit of information, but we find out that that's plenty. You might against this direction like that direction, and you turn that way. It's like, okay, I'll just keep going, and if you keep going until it's gonna work. Good job, everybody. We'll see you next week.